Hi guys! Today we are learning how to restore Apple Notes on iPhone after an iCloud backup. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. We'll check your iCloud settings to make sure your notes are syncing properly. Now tap your name at the top of the settings page. This will open your Apple account settings, where you can manage iCloud and other Apple services. Next, tap iCloud to open your iCloud settings. This is where you can control which apps store and sync their data with iCloud. After that, find and tap Save to iCloud. You'll see a list of apps that can sync their data with your iCloud account. Now, tap Notes from the list of apps. This will open the sync settings specifically for Apple Notes. If Sync This iPhone is turned off, enable it. Once syncing is turned on, your iPhone will begin downloading and restoring any notes that are already stored in your iCloud account. Depending on the number of notes and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. And that's how you can restore Apple Notes on your iPhone after an iCloud backup. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.